Hello friends, this is Ifa. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to set up my bullet journal for February, and this month I have gone for a very pretty and whimsical theme that is self-love potion, and this was inspired from my own sticker sheets, so I was very excited to use them here. And before I start, I really wanted to share the happy mail that I have sent in January to my patrons. And if you don't know, I have a Patreon mail club where I share my own thoughts in a letter with a very mindful question for you. Also to sticker sheet and an A6 size mini calendar with it. Without the mail club, I have 3 tiers for digital readers where I share my own arts in digital formats, where you can just print it out on a paper and use it as journaling kit for your journal. Here I have printed out for my own journaling setup today, and I kinda shifted the layout a little bit from the images that I've shared in my Patreon. So let's begin setting up my bullet journal. I have collected out a lot of Tombow brush pen colors here, as you can see, but I'm not gonna use all of them, so I'll add all the colors and other stationeries that I'm going to use here in the description. As you can see, I've already sketched out the illustration for the cover page, and I'm outlining the whole illustration with this brown fine liner, which is from the Unipin fine liner. And I really like this shade because it goes with everything for me, and it is really good fine liner, to be honest. But sometimes it smears when I use any brush pen or water-based markers in the top, but it's okay, it doesn't smear much. And here, as you can see, I have included the title into this illustration here. So let's begin with the colors. I have chosen this very blush pink color. It's really warm toned. I wanted to use something cooler for this this shade particularly, but I misunderstood the colors while swatching them out and chose this one, but I think it doesn't look that bad. For this glass cork of this potion, I have used this very beautiful misty purple color, and I wanted to make it looks like very similar to the sticker sheets that I made for my patrons and the stickers that I made ages ago. So I really wanted to go for this theme for quite a long time since it's the month of love. So I thought that I should just go with something that makes me feel love with myself, because to be honest, self-love is something that makes you confident, and sometimes we forget to do that. Like, we forget to love ourselves first. And to me, I think if we don't love ourselves, the meaning of life is kind of wasted. And I think this month is not just for love for others, but for practicing self-love as well. So I wanted to concentrate on that here. Anyways, let's talk about this illustration a bit. To finish the whole illustration, I have used some of these brush pens to color these little hearts here and there, and I think it looks a lot more fuller after doing that. I have made this top heart kind of shape as a glass stopper, and I have used this Jelly Roll brush pen to create this sparkle after I created that illustration, and I think it works pretty well here, and I really like how this whole illustration turned out. It was really simple, but I really like it. After shading out everything, I wanted to add some quotes here, so I just wrote, "Let's focus for ourselves." It is just to remind me that this theme is for self-love. Besides my cover page, I am going to make my calendar page, and this month I am going to go for a horizontal one-page calendar. I really miss this layout because sometimes I really feel that the larger monthly calendars is not for me, even though I do have a lot to do in this month. But I wanted to have somewhere I can write only the simple events not a whole task list as a weekly task list, which I do always. Like I do a large calendar page, and besides that I do have a weekly planner that works really well for me. But this month I wanted to go for something simpler, and here it is. I wanted to make this whole layout like a notebook, like a ring binder, where I have like 7 tabs. So just suppose this is a notebook that has 7 tabs, and the tabs are just the days, like Monday to Sunday. So here I am starting from Sunday because in Bangladesh, if you don't know, this Sunday is the official weekday. So I start Sunday always, and for this month it really helped me to maximize the calendar spread by 5 by 5 grid, which really looks bigger than like 5 by 4 grid for each day. I hope that makes sense. And I'm gonna start my day from Sunday, which is the first day of February. And here I really wanted to make this looks cohesive with the colors, so I'm going to use the journaling kit that I made for my patrons. As you can see, I have color coded all these days as well, even though they looks really simple and small. I should have written them with larger letters, like larger numbers as a font, so that it looks cooler. But yeah, it looks really small here. Anyways, that's it for this very simple cover page comes calendar page. And the next spread that I'm going to make is my habit tracker. I really wanted to use this header which I made for my patrons, and added a lot of details here in the title, so it looks really cute, to be honest. That's why I chose this header to use here. And as I have printed them out in a white paper, I really wanted to go for something in the background, and I've chosen this very blushy pink color washi tape for the background, along with the golden grid washi tape. I will link them here in the description, so if you're interested you can check them out. Also, I use some of the stickers from my sticker sheet, which has these little hearts here and there just to fill the gaps of this header. While making this habit tracker, let's talk about some of my life. Basically, some of you guys have been asking me that why my shop is closed for internationals and when I'm going to open my shop globally. Honestly speaking, I've been trying my best for like 6 months or more than 6 months to reopen my shop. In Bangladesh, there were a few payment gateways that associates with Shopify, and that accepts global payments. But here in Bangladesh, you have to go with a lot of procedures for those. For smaller businesses, there is not much solutions. It really made me overwhelmed with everything, even though I have been trying my best to reopen my shop globally. Unfortunately, life happens and I don't have any payment gateway that can help me to collect my funds from my website, like from you. Like I had to shut down it for a few months, and right now I'm just open for locals, because locally taking payments are really easy since we have a lot of like wallets, and it has been a lot work to open up my shop again. So I hope that in near future I can get some solution for you and let you know. So if you're interested to purchase anything from me, I think you should join in my newsletter of my website. So yeah, and for my Bangladeshi people, there is going to be a huge shop update with tote bags, bookmarks, new postcards, and art prints. So I'm very excited for that launch. For my global supporters, I do have my Patreon where you can get physical mail and a bunch of digital goodies to use in your bullet journal, your planner, or your digital notes. So yes, and I really wanted to share something that's happening this year that is basically a skill sharing series which I have introduced to my Patreon this month. So here's the whole workshop or series schedule. I'm going to cover like 5 topics. So the first one is basically a journaling discussion. Also, as you can see, we have scrapbooking from this month, from February. Then we have calligraphy, drawing, color theory, and doodles with markers and illustration with marker sessions. So that's a huge thing for me as a self-taught artist. I don't claim myself as an artist, but I do make art. So yeah, and if you're interested to learn something from me about these topics, I would highly recommend you to join in Oswald or any higher tiers, where you will get both digital stuffs and that session. Also, if you're joining in my physical tier, you're getting everything at once. And meanwhile, while I was talking about that, I have already made all of this layout for my habit trackers. I wanted to go for like 8 habit trackers this month because I have both major and minor habits that I need to build, like vitamin intake, then my sleep schedule, about my workouts, contents, etc. So I really wanted to go for it. And here, as you can see, I do have this little tab on this tracker just because I wanted to add some stars there just to remind me that which habit is much more important than which. So that's it. And besides my habit tracker, I have this simple layout as a planner where I will plan out my Patreon and contents. So yeah, and for the decoration, I've gone with this beautiful washi tape, like this white calligraphic lettered kind of washi tape, which I bought from Paper Monogatari, and I really like it, and I really love how it looks. Underneath this illustration, I have gone for this large illustration that I made for my Patreon stickers. That's it for this spread. And the next spread that I'm going to make is my weekly spread. For my weekly spread, I really wanted to go for something very simple, and I don't want to overwhelm myself. So I'm going to use the left corner space just to create space for some illustrations. Here I am just adding some washi tapes and this mini calendar, which is just like written on old paper, and I've added this white pigeon who has been delivering a mail. So yes, and the layout is very simple, which I was inspired from Amanda Richley for ages. I really like this layout because it maximizes the space as much as can. And I'm using these headers from the printables. I have printed out the printables on a sticker paper, so I don't need to glue them out again and again, because I do have some spare sticker papers which I don't use for my shop, and they're a little bit low quality. It's not like the paper is low quality, but the backing paper is not so nice. So yes, and that's the layout here. Since my shop is not for everyone right now, I have a specific tier in my Patreon page, which is Oli and Bud, where you can get like one older set of your choice along with the new set, which I am planning for the Oli tiers members. So I think that's a benefit for anyone who wants to get a specific reward from me. So that's it for this Patreon talk. Behind this layout, I wanted to add some of these small hearts here and there just to create like a pattern, and I think it looks really great after finishing out. I think after filling this spread with my tasks, it's going to be look filler. So yes, and that's it for this very simple bullet journal setup. Before we move into the flip through, I'd like to thank you everyone who have been supporting me for such a long time. Also my lovely patrons for your amazing support, and you guys are the best as always. That's for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel to support me, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, be happy, be safe, and enjoy your life. Bye bye.